Okay, I'm gonna try my best to vlog this. It's 6:30 and we're leaving for our Puerto Rico trip soon. And I'm really excited, but I'm also kind of sad to leave. Okay, so yes, so we just landed in Puerto Rico, in San Juan, and we're in a shuttle on the way to the hotel. And so here is outside. And honestly, out of everything, the flight was
good. I slept the whole time.
yeah, it was a 4-hour and 15-minute flight. But I took a nap and then I read a book, and we flew with Southwest, so it wasn't that bad. And one thing to take out of this trip, like for that long of a flight, this is a must. A neck pillow. I always used to think they were like lame or just like doing the most, you know, right?
But it really helps.
But no, it does really help, like especially if it's a long flight.
I put it on the table like this, and I put my head down like that.
I did the same thing. I pulled out my little tray, put it down, and used it as a pillow.
That was the best sleep ever.
Or like it's so thick that like, you know, you can't just like. So definitely 10 out of 10. It's a must if you're taking a long flight. And I guess I will. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. We're starving.
Anything.